Are you eager to elevate your cooking game? If so, Cookware cookware might be the solution you've been looking for. This cookware provides unparalleled temperature control and durability, making it a favorite among professional chefs and cooking enthusiasts alike. Cookware cookware features a high-conductivity copper center, sandwiched between layers of stainless steel. This combination results in rapid heat response, essential for delicate dishes like hollandaise or precise sears. Say goodbye to hot spots. With copper, the entire cooking surface maintains a consistent temperature. Investing in Cookware cookware means investing in longevity. Designed to withstand the rigors of a commercial kitchen, it's built to last a lifetime. When shopping, focus on 5-ply constructions for the best balance of weight and efficiency. Always check for induction compatibility if you use a modern stove. Here are the top picks for 2026. All-Clad's 5-ply Cookware set offers precise temperature control, perfect for any cooking style. Heston's Copper Bond series combines performance with elegant design. The Viking Professional set provides excellent heat retention at a more budget-friendly price. Caring for your copper cookware is essential. Use medium heat, opt for silicone utensils to avoid scratches, and hand wash to keep it looking great. Need to restore shine? A mixture of lemon juice and baking soda does the trick. Ultimately, if you crave precision and performance in your cooking, Cookware cookware is well worth the investment. Check out the collections available on Amazon and take your culinary skills to the next level today.